Hi Renee, hi Jaden, Giovanni, and Christopher. So in this video, we're going to look at our two-step math problems Google slide. So I'm going to show you guys how to move the slide and how to finish the assignment. So this is our title page, two-step math problems. Going to look, so that was the first page. Let's click here to see the second page. And as I've said before, when you see that play button, click on it so the video can start. The video is going to talk about addition and subtraction. So this is review for us. So we click on the third slide. So this is another video, but it's about regrouping. So whenever we reach a number that's 10 or larger, we have to carry it on to the tens place. So let's start our work. It says show your work and write the equations. You may use a sheet of paper to show your work, okay? So two-step addition word problems. Let's read the word problem to see what it's asking us and to find out what the information is that they're giving us. I swept the house for 14 minutes. Then I dusted for 15 minutes. The next day, I vacuumed for 13 minutes. How long did I work in all? Okay, so they already told us it's an addition problem, but for the words, the clue is in all. So we know whenever we hear in all or read in all, it's asking us for a totals, which is a sum in an addition problem. So we also see that this doesn't say one step, it says two step. That means we're going to have two addition problems or two addition equations. For the first equation, we're going to write the number that we read first. I swept the house for 14 minutes. Okay, what are we adding on to that 14? Then I dusted for 15 minutes. All right, so on your sheet of paper, let's write down 14 plus 15. And on your sheet of paper, it's not going to look like this. You guys are going to write the problem up and down. So let's see if I can show that here. Let's make the font a little bigger. So on your paper, you're going to have something like, you're going to write the 14 on top. You're going to write plus sign because we're adding, and you're going to write 15 on the bottom. And for the equal sign, it looks like a line like that. So let's do this together. So we always start at the ones place. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Oops, 9. I'm doing it on the computer, so it's a little funny, the spacing. Oh, there we go. Okay, I fixed it. So 9 is in the ones place. Now let's move on to the tens place. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 29. Okay, next, but we know it's not a one step, it's a two step. So let's keep reading. The next day, I vacuumed for 13 minutes. How long did I work in all? So the question is asking us, okay, the 14 minutes plus the 15 minutes plus the 13. So we're going to take this 29 that we just did, and that number is going to be the first number in this box. But the minutes that we haven't added yet is how long they vacuumed for. So 13. So we're going to put in 13 in that box. And once again, on your scratch paper, the paper that you're working on, let me try. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, how do I fix this? Okay, there we go. The first number we're writing is 29 plus our second number is 13 equals so 29 plus 13, always the ones place we have to do first. So that's 12. So we put the 2 for the ones place. So guys, this is my first time doing this on the computer. So just wait with me. Okay, so 9 plus 3 is 12, but we can't write down 12 in the ones place. We gotta carry it over to the tens place. So you see that 1 and 2 makes 12. Now we need to add 1 plus 2, that's 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Oops, look, I caught my mistake. It's not 32, it's 42. So the next slide, the direction is solve the problem in steps. So the correct way, thumbs up, is 14 plus 15 equals 29, like we did, right? We're going to carry that 29 over for our second addition problem. So 29 plus 13 equals 42. So this is the correct way to solve our two-step word problems. So what I don't want you guys to do, it says don't solve everything in one equation. So thumbs down. Don't do 14 plus 15 plus 13 all in one problem, okay? Let's do it in two steps. That way we can get the correct answer and we're doing everything clearly and organized. So you're going to move on and the directions say now it's your turn. After each slide, you'll be able to check your work. If you got it correct, awesome job. If you didn't get the correct answer, it's okay. Just try your best and you're going to try again. So this is the page that you need to complete. It's empty, right? And you see the squares here. For each square, you can click inside of it and you can type whatever number belongs there. So let's pretend that you filled out each box. You're going to go on to the next box. And for each problem, the correct answers is going to be right after it. So 41 plus 22 equals 63. For the second addition problem, you're going to carry over that 63 plus 20 equals 83. Okay, so for each problem, like I said, you can always check your work. And this Google slide, it has the whole week's work. So look, when you reach this page, it says you're done with Monday's work. So you're going to watch your fun video and you'll stop there for Monday. It's going to go all the way to Friday, and once you reach the last page, it says, yay, you're all done with this week's math work. Enjoy your weekend. So I know that doing math online is new for us, but I want you guys to try your best. And if you have any questions, just message me and I'll be there to help you, okay? All right, good luck, everyone.